Denon, a renowned brand in the audio industry, has made a significant entry into the Chinese market with the launch of its PerL series true wireless stereo earbuds. This lineup consists of two distinct models, the Denon PerL and the Denon PerL Pro, both of which bring forth cutting-edge features to elevate the audio experience for consumers. A standout feature that sets the Denon PerL series apart is the integration of Masimo adaptive acoustic technology, an innovation primarily utilized in the realm of newborn hearing detection. Denon has ingeniously applied this advanced measurement technology to headphones, marking a pioneering move in the industry. This integration promises to deliver an unprecedented and optimized audio encounter to users. The technology's precision ensures that the sound is tailored to each listener's unique auditory sensitivities. To complement this remarkable technology, Denon has developed a dedicated headphones app. This application empowers users to create personalized sound profiles that cater to their individual preferences. With this feature, the Denon PerL series presents users with a one-of-a-kind custom-tuned audio experience, setting a new standard in personalization. Both the Denon PerL and Denon PerL Pro earbuds are equipped with 10mm drivers and come with active noise cancelling capabilities. Despite their powerful features, the earbuds remain incredibly lightweight, weighing in at just 8.6 grams. The accompanying charging case also boasts a sleek appearance, with dimensions of 72.4 by 30.2 by 35 mm, and a weight of 55.5 grams. The Denon PerL Pro model sets itself apart by offering lossless audio through Qualcomm aptX, ensuring that users can enjoy their music in its highest quality. Moreover, the inclusion of Dirac Virtuo spatial audio further enhances the immersive listening experience. Battery life is a crucial factor for any pair of earbuds, and the Denon PerL series excels in this regard. The Denon PerL offers a respectable 6-hour battery life, which can be extended to 24 hours with the charging case. On the other hand, the Denon PerL Pro boasts an even more impressive 8-hour battery life, which can be extended to a remarkable 32 hours with the case. For individuals seeking earbuds that can keep up with their active lifestyle, the Denon PerL series offers an aptX rating for water and sweat resistance. This feature makes these earphones suitable for a wide range of environments, including workouts and outdoor activities. The inclusion of multi-point connection capabilities further enhances the user experience, allowing for seamless switching between devices without the hassle of repeated pairing. The user-friendly appearance extends to the intuitive touch controls on the earbuds. These controls provide a convenient way to manage playback, adjust volume, and handle calls, eliminating the need to reach for a separate device. With the Denon PerL series, Denon has once again demonstrated its commitment to delivering exceptional audio experiences that cater to the needs and preferences of discerning audiophiles. The Denon PerL model, with its remarkable array of features, comes at an attractive price point of 1699 yuan or $234. On the other hand, for those who desire an even more immersive and feature-rich audio encounter, the Denon PerL Pro steps in as an enticing option. Initially priced at 2699 yuan or $372, the Denon PerL Pro offers lossless audio via Qualcomm aptX and Dirac Virtuo spatial audio, enhancing the audio quality and spatial awareness for an unparalleled auditory experience. However, Denon doesn't stop at merely offering an exceptional product, they also introduce a thoughtful pricing strategy. By applying a coupon, consumers can enjoy a discounted price of 25.99 yuan or $359, making the Denon PerL Pro even more accessible to those who are passionate about superior audio quality. I hope you enjoyed the video, so don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.